Well, it's a game of two halves. We have played the first half this afternoon, 2-2. We're looking forward now to the next half, where it must be a winner. So it should be interesting. It should be entertaining, as you would have seen this afternoon.
Coach, it seemed that it was probably one of the most intense games that the two teams have played this year. What was the mindset coming as you prepared for Arnett? You knew that it was going to be difficult.
Well, again, this is a team who have been at this stage before, so the support of the fans, so what we did, we want to take the fans out of the game, because once we go behind with the Arnett, with the fans, then it's always going to be difficult. So that is something that we look into.
You made in terms of a few changes. You talk about whether you want to play Trevante Stewart and Otherboard Bagwave together. You had to do it tonight. Did you feel that it kind of helped, especially that part of the
Well, yes, definitely, because I think with better decision making in the final third, I think we could have gotten 2 more goals. Not taken away from Arnett, because they created a few chances as well. But as I say, overall, I'm pleased. So we look forward to the second half of the game next Sunday.
They're not a ranking. I don't know if he has scored a goal all season, and now he's been coming up trumps in the postseason. How much are you pleased and impressed with his growth and contributions?
Well, again, what you get from a Leonardo ranking is his honesty. He's going to work. If it's 60 minutes, 70 minutes, he's going to work until he put his hand up, and that's what Leonardo did.
Anything that you have to do differently come Sunday?
Well, not to give anything away, but again, we have to look back on the team performance tonight. We have to look on the Arnett Garden game, and if any adjustment need to make, then surely we'll do.
Coach, you spoke about the home fans almost for Arnett Gardens. Do you think you need to ensure that you have more crowd support for the?
Well, we always have our fans as well, but playing against a Arnett, you have to take that 12 man out the game.
That's a lot, Coach.
Yeah.